Updated 2020 version Milk Coffee Frother Handheld Battery-Operated Electric Frothing 1 Foam Maker for Latte, Cappuccino, Hot Chocolate, Frappe, Durable Drink Mixer, Gray. Perfect milk and coffee frothing. Coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. This milk frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without a trip to Starbucks with your own rapid mixer Milk Frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte. You know your tastes best. Beautifully styled with versatility. Customers say our electric milk frother works better than a manual matcha whisk for making matcha tea and works far better than fork or whisk for keto bulletproof coffee. It works very well to mix nutritious protein powder drinks with no extra container, blender, or bottle shaker to wash. Aerate eggs with our mini mixer for the smoothest omelets and scrambled eggs you ever had. Battery operated for perfect froth in no time. The mixer is battery powered, so you don't have to worry about cords and finding sockets. Heat up the milk, immerse the espresso maker into the cup, and turn it on. The milk foamer will start creating creamy froth on the milk instantly. Within 15-20 seconds, you have a cup filled with creamy froth and ready to go into your coffee latte. Proven and trusted quality, we use only premium materials, 18/10 food-grade stainless steel for our double spring spiral whisk. The construction will last, backed by our service, to not rust or break, ever. Our highly efficient motor works quietly while it rotates more than 200 times in a single second. Our small and efficient frother works on all types of milk, half and half, creamer, soy, almond, cashew, hazelnut, whole milk, and other dairy such as butter or cream. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.